Martin Rudifer from Czechia has just moved into second position with a 57.32. So Jan Lopnica from Slovenia continues to lead. Martin Rudifer from Czechia is currently in second position, and Ivan Kozlov from AIN currently sitting in third.
Yeah, we are going to see some more high-quality athletes now with Konstanika, Yuki Tanaka, Casey Heschfeld, Jakub Brigar coming soon, Ben Eilert. So yeah, we will have some good run very soon on the start lists. But yeah, we still have almost 60 paddlers, so very impossible now to say which time you need to have to go to the head-to-head this afternoon.